So the reason I'm here today is to paint underneath the rafters of the bullnose or the veranda roof. So my name is Andrew Mills and I'm a long-term resident of Toowoomba. I was born here. I've been working on Vacy Hall over a period of 30 years now. I've done a lot of internal work, whether it's some wood graining or marbling or some artwork, and at the moment just applying paint on the rafters in prior preparation for a new roof that will be going on to Vacy Hall shortly. I believe Vacy Hall was built in 1899, so that's roughly 120 years ago. This paint has been applied that I'm painting over at the moment, or sanding off. The owner has taken great steps to preserve this house historically, and I'm part of that as well, so I take great pride in my workmanship. Try to do it as nicely as I can.